So let me get to my Word document first of all. Alright, I'm on my phone home screen. Okay, look at the Word document there. So the document app, okay, Microsoft Word mobile app, look at it there. So I tap on it, then tap on the plus icon for you to select whether you want to do the creation from blank or maybe from template, but here I'm using a blank document. Okay, so I tap on blank document, it opens. You can see, if you look very well, you can see a microphone icon by the bottom right. Okay, so I'll tap on that microphone icon. You can see it. Okay, so it tells me to start speaking. So as I'm speaking now, it is recording already. How are you? I hope you are good. So you can see it's capturing everything. So once you're done with what you're recording, tap on the microphone icon again for it to stop. Okay, so these are just the steps you have to take to use Dictation on Microsoft Word mobile app. Thank you.